How to scan Snapchat code. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here to your camera area, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the upper right, you will see a lot of options there, and here you will see an add friend icon here, a plus icon. Tap on that, and here you will see the search bar there. Now, under search bar on the very right, you will see a Snapchat icon again there. Tap on that and it will lead you to your camera area, and all you have to do is to save that person's Snapchat code, and here I have actually saved it. Tap on that code and wait for the Snapchat to actually scan that, and all you have to do is it will lead you here to that person's Snapchat and add that person here. And basically that is how you scan Snapchat code, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.